Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can install the Roblox game on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Play Store. In Play Store, you want to tap on the search box right here and then type in Roblox and tap on the search key, and then want to tap on Install button. And we're just going to wait for that to install on the device. Okay, after you're finished, you can tap on the open button, and it's going to now load the app. And in here you can sign up, or you can log in to an account that you already have, and that's it. So you can also access the app by going into the app screen. So we swipe up on the home screen, and in here you want to swipe across and look for the app Roblox. And that's it guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.